Hey, so before we keep going through the course, I actually wanted to break down one of my best performing sales funnels that I've built with Clickfunnels over the last several months. So what I'm going to do in this video is actually show you a few things, maybe a little bit more advanced. As you go through the course, a lot of this will make a lot more sense to you. But the reason I wanted to put this video here is before you go and get signed up for your Clickfunnels account, I want to give you a special opportunity where I'm actually going to share this entire system with you. But I'm only going to do this with people that actually sign up with ClickFunnels through me. So let me actually break down what this funnel does, and you'll kind of get an idea by the end of this video how you could go and use this in your own business to pretty much sell just about anything. I'm not going to go into all the high level detail of this, but if you do decide to sign up for ClickFunnels, I will put together a much more in-depth video for you that you can actually use to implement this into your business. This will give you more of an idea of how I'm using this. So one of the things that I do, and I'm sure as you know, is create online courses. And one of the things that's worked best for me is outside of Udemy or any of these other platforms is I wanted to have the ability to sell on my own website. And ClickFunnels is the perfect tool to do that. So what I'm going to show you is actually a sales funnel that I've been running since November of 2017. I've been running this for several months, spending money on Facebook ads. And more or less what this funnel has allowed me to do is bring in not only a profit every month, but also build an email list of people that I can market to pretty much anytime I want with new and exciting products throughout the coming years and months. So let me break down what this funnel does. This is selling one of my courses. I call it the SEO Consulting Blueprint. There's several different funnel steps throughout this. I'll be kind of showing that as we go through the course. But basically, this funnel has all the different intricate pieces to allow me to go out there and sell my course. We have a sales page here. Once someone actually gets into the funnel, I push them through an enrollment piece to eventually get them to the sales page where they buy my product. So let me show you a few elements of this. The very first thing that happens when people come to the site, I have two different opt-in forms. This is basically a way that I'm capturing emails and giving away something in exchange. So this is just a simple little pop-up form. You know, it has like a download here. So I like to use this inside of blog posts that I have on my website, things like that. So if people click on a link on my site, I'll send them to this page and they can enter their information and basically they get this template pack. The other way that I like to do this is I have what I call my, it's actually here, my 60-second email page. It's just kind of an enticing page that I use to call out who it is I'm marketing to. Hey, digital marketer, here's the 60-second plan to land your first SEO client. Want to know how? And I kind of put down some bullet points and then you know, some testimonials from my students. And this page converts at about 50%. So 50% of the people that visit this page, I actually get them to fill this out, do the get access now, and I send them an ebook automatically with this system through the back end of my autoresponder, my email system. Once they fill that out, I actually send them a welcome email, and there's a few other pages in here. So I have a page here. I'll pause this video of me. So I actually have this customized so it works with my email system, and it will put their name right here. You can see Bob was like a name I was testing with. That's why it's showing up on mine. But this gives people some next steps, like how to get access to my stuff, how to whitelist my emails, and I just kind of welcome them to my community. And then I've got a few other pages as well. As they go through my emails and my content that I put together in this same funnel, I actually have pages where they can decide if they want to get my emails either faster or slower. So I have a few different customizable pages that I built for that. Here's like an example of one where I tell them, hey, you're going to get the next lesson in a couple of minutes. So just really, really simple little email pages, I guess you can say, that I've set up inside this funnel. And I've also got a few others. Here's what I call my vault page. This is just this huge page filled with testimonials and positive comments from all the people that have taken my courses and my content. And it just really helps with selling and obviously showing that you know, my stuff works. So you could kind of mimic some of this. I've also got some different pages for people that like engage with my emails. I've got a confirmation page, a ready page, privacy policy, and then I actually have a couple duplicates of my sales page that I use for different things. So that's kind of a general breakdown. Let me show you some stats on this, and this is where you'll probably get a little bit more excited. So I've been selling this for a while, since November, as I mentioned, and this is only tracking based on sales made through, specifically through like credit card transactions. So I've done about a little over $3,000. You can see the average cart value is over $200, and the earnings per click, meaning on average how many people that actually visit my billing page. I make almost over $21 on average for every person that actually goes to my billing page. The other thing that I've been doing is actually selling with another third-party platform, and this is just I use for multiple payments, things like that, and I've done over $4,000, almost $4,000 with that. So in essence, this is something where I've made just about the $10,000 mark, and I wanted to give you another little insight on how I've been able to use this same funnel with Facebook ads. Here's a daily tracker metric sheet that I actually use. If I scroll through this, I basically put together each and every day how many people actually visit that landing page that I showed you, this landing page here. How many people visited this page based on my Facebook ad that I run to it. How many people enter their email, and then I track, this sheet automatically tracks how many of those people converted. So for example, on January 26th, we can see 28 people visited, 11 people put in their email, so we got a 39% conversion that day. And obviously I add this up over time, so like for January it did about 59% conversion, so that's great. And then what I do is I actually track how much money I spent each day on my ads. So throughout January I was spending around $40 to $60 a day, and I track, that'll automatically track how much each lead, meaning each person that entered their email, cost me. And then I track which days I actually made sales. So you can see here this month I spent $1,500 on Facebook advertising, but I actually made $2,141 from all of the sales that I made. So this is pretty exciting, and the reason for that is that you may think, oh well, 500, 600 bucks, that's not a lot of money, but in essence I actually broke even, and I was able to generate basically 399 new emails that came into this same funnel. Now the beauty of this is I can now sell to these people anything I want moving forward for months to come. I could sell them other people's products as an affiliate marketer. I could offer coaching and sell them on like high-end packages. I could pretty much come up with new products and sell them on those new products. There's just limitless potential. If I put out a video on YouTube or something like that, I could send them a video and say, hey, here's some cool new thing I'm doing, maybe make money from that. There's just a lot of potential. So in essence, I'm actually making money to build my audience for free, and I'm using the same very funnel. So what I want to invite you guys to do is, if you haven't yet, head over to this link here. It's noshameincome.com/clickfunnels, and that's going to send you to a page here, and you can actually create a free account in Clickfunnels. This will take you less than 60 seconds. You'll have a 14-day free trial. Again, obviously, if you're going to take the next step with this, you're going to want to set up a membership. It costs $99 a month. And from here, what I'm going to do is, just send me a message. You'll see a message here in the next lesson. You can actually get in touch with me, and I will send you a link so you can actually copy this entire funnel into your ClickFunnels account. And I will actually send you a video where I break down a little bit more in depth of how I set this up. I'll show you some of the Facebook ads that I ran and some of the other things that I've been doing. So this is information that it took me over 6 months to build this entire system. I paid other people to learn some of the things, lots of trial and error and time that I spent to build this. So what I'm doing in exchange is, if you decide to sign up for ClickFunnels through my link, I will provide this to you and give this to you as a bonus. So again, let me know if you have any questions, and again, thanks for enrolling in my course.